The JBuds Air ANC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the popular JBuds Air, which now features active noise cancellation. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, small, medium, large ear tips, and a pair of cloud foam tips. And you also get a pair of cush fins. The earbuds features 10 hours of listening time, 40 hours with the case. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, USB for charging, active noise cancellation, ambient aware and EQ modes, IP55 water resistant. The case has the familiar look and feel as previous JBud cases. It has a hard plastic feel to it with a matte finish. And on the top, you have the branding. On the front, you'll find the charge status LEDs for the case and earbuds. Taking a look at the bottom, it comes with a built-in USB cable for charging. It just snaps out and back into place for easy storage. The lid has a tight snap to it and it's magnetic. Earbuds are secured by magnets and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched in inside. The earbuds have a simple design and it's slightly on the larger side. On the inside you have the ear markings. And you also have the optional cush fins. The outer face has the gold logo along with the large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, charging contacts, cush fins, touch control, microphone, and LED. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to get the desired function. Cycling through the ANC and ambient aware feature is just a 1-second press, and the EQ modes is 3 taps. You can cycle through balance, JLab signature, and bass. The case comes in at 2.9 by 1.6 by 1.4 inches. It weighs in at 50 grams and the earbuds come in at 12 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the JBuds Air ANC microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. and you can use the earbuds individually left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the JBuds Air ANC. The earbuds were comfortable. It forms a tight, secure seal, and there's good passive noise isolation. I prefer to use it with the cushions to add that extra stability and support. The touch controls are a plus since they don't add pressure in your ear canals. Build and quality is solid. The case and earbuds feel durable. The touch controls responded well and are not overly sensitive. The earbuds do protrude out a bit when seated in your ears. Battery life is good, coming in at 10 hours and 40 total with the case. Having ANC on will reduce it to 24 hours. The active noise cancellation was excellent, and I found it to cancel a lot of the surrounding noises. It ranks up there with many of the earbuds that I have tested in this price point. The ambient aware also captured the surrounding noises when activated, so this will allow you to hear your surroundings without removing the earbuds. Now when it comes to sound, these perform. The bass doesn't disappoint and it comes in tight and punchy. It doesn't sound boosted. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear, and there's good separation. You also have 3 EQ settings to toggle through depending on your listening preference. It also includes a movie mode which will reduce the audio lag. Overall, I feel there is good value with these earbuds. They have included a lot of features for this price point. It's compact and portable, and the sounds deliver. So that is my review of the JBuds Air ANC True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.